Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the coupling washer in the Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new coupling washer. The coupling washer seals the auger motor coupler opening from water leaks. If the ice dispenser stops dropping ice, check the coupling washer and replace it, and other potentially damaged parts if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Now we need to remove the ice bin assembly. I'm going to press down this little knob here and unlock it. Then I'm going to pull it forward and pull it straight up. Next, I'm going to remove these two Phillips screws and lift off the mechanism. Now we're going to pull off the coupler, and we can remove the coupler washer. Push it off. This is the old coupling washer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now I'm going to install the new coupler washer. Slide it on, and I'm going to put this top on. Place it under the spring. I'm going to put this bottom cover first, and then I'm going to place the top. I'm going to hold it down. I'm going to place one Phillips screw, maintain the pressure on the assembly. Here the spring is pushing it up. Tighten the screw. And now we can install the second screw. And now we can install the ice container assembly back in. We'll have two posts here on the sides, and they are going to go into these cutouts. I'm going to put it in, drop it down, and close it. And now when we're done, we can close the freezer door, plug the fridge back in, and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.